Hello everyone, this is Eran Noam Katz from King David Legacy Center from Jerusalem. I would like to speak about the King Solomon seals. Today I will try to teach you about three new seals. One is for fortune, one is for behavior, to change from bad behavior to a better behavior, and the third is for a person that is in a trial or a prison position or reality. Everyone knows that if you buy the King Solomon seals as a jewelry, it will not work. It's like that you have a car, but you don't have the ignition key. You need to run the seals with the holy names. So I would like to show you some about the seals and the holy names that we need to run the seals with them. This is the seal for fortune. So you can see the holy names. All those are holy names which we need to pray to operate for the specific person by the name of his private name and his mother name to operate the seals. This one is for fortune. If a child have a bad behavior, or someone that we need to want to help him with his behavior, these seals can help with that reality. So we see the holy names which we need to pray for to operate the seal. This one is for a person that have a trial or is in prison and we want to get him out. So these seals is for that, and you see the holy names that we need to operate the seals to make it functionable, to make it work. So if you have a seal, King Solomon seals, and you have any question how to operate the seals, you can WhatsApp me 24/6. In Israel the code is 972. For WhatsApp, my cellular is 53-525-9373. Thank you very much for listening. Have a nice week. Shalom, shalom.